Hey, it's Christina with Tina Girl Travels. In this video, we're checking out the ONOMO Airport Hotel right beside the Mohammed V International Airport in Casablanca, Morocco. We had an early morning flight out of Casablanca, and I find that staying at an airport hotel really helps reduce the stress of those early departures. Now, we arrived at the airport from the city by train, coming from Casa Voyager station right in the heart of Casablanca. If you're curious about what taking the airport train is like, I'll link that video to the end of this one. Once you exit the airport, head to the right and look for this sign. There's a free shuttle bus for the ONOMO Hotel. I wish I could say it's super convenient, but it only runs once an hour on the hour, so plan ahead. The upside is it's free. A taxi to anywhere in this airport area costs 100 dirhams. That's roughly $11 or 15 Canadian. By the end of our trip, anything free is a win. This was just a quick overnight for us. Arriving and departing in the dark, we had dinner in Casablanca before arriving at the hotel, but honestly, I kind of wish we had eaten at the hotel. The food looked really good and really fresh. There's a beautiful outdoor area where you can sit and enjoy a drink. Unfortunately, we had to get to bed early for that early morning flight. So we stayed in room 235 on the second floor, and the room had twin beds, and I'm going to share more about those in my stars and wishes in just a minute. The room is very minimalistic, which is fine by me. I just want a clean, quiet, and comfortable space, and this checked those boxes. There were plenty of plugs for charging devices. If you don't have a European charging adapter, I'll link one in the description. They're incredibly handy. The room had a small flat screen TV. We didn't get a chance to use it. From what we experienced though, most English language channels in the hotels in Morocco tended to be news channels. There is an in-room safe, so you just enter a 4-digit code and hit lock. And be sure to grab your belongings and leave the safe door open when you check out. The hotel does offer a laundry service should you need it. So the door to the room has a standard deadbolt and chain lock as well, and you'll need to slide your key card into the wall slot to activate the room's electricity. Let's have a look at the bathroom. It's fairly standard, but one part definitely makes it into my stars list. You'll see why in a second. So in the bathroom, there's a floating sink with some counter space, a spacious walk-in shower, and a wall-mounted toilet. No handheld bidet, which is something you'll get used to seeing in Morocco. As for the toiletries, the shampoo situation was lacking a little bit. It's one of those all-in-one products, and if I don't have conditioner, my hair actually turns into a bird's nest. So if you need conditioner or something, special body wash or special shampoo, pack your own. So this room does have air conditioning, and they provide complimentary bottled water, which is standard across hotels in Morocco. For what it's worth, we brushed our teeth with the tap water the entire trip, and we lived to tell the tale. This hotel does offer breakfast. Unfortunately, we had to leave so early that we missed it, but they did offer for us to go and enjoy their special coffee machine while we waited for the shuttle in the morning. Here it is. You can get different coffees, mochas, and hot water for tea. They had a few different kinds of tea that you could choose from right here. I always love a good Earl Grey tea in the morning. It is kind of funny to give you this tour in the dark like this, but it was really early in the morning. So this is a seating area, and there is a bar over here. And in the evening, there was lots of people in here just sitting and enjoying a drink and enjoying some food. And yeah, it was quite a hopping little place. And I would definitely come down here if we were staying here again. Time for my stars and wishes. We'll talk about the stars first. That shower head was amazing. It's one of the best I've ever used. I tried to find the brand, but no luck. My second star goes to the room being clean and quiet, exactly what we needed before our early flight. Okay, now for my wishes. The beds in this room were hard and narrow. I actually had dreams all night that I was sleeping on one of those wooden gym benches from elementary school. An extra pillow would have really helped, so 2 extra pillows in the room would have been amazing. The towels were my second wish. They're arranged really beautifully on the bed, but there were only 2, and one was a bath towel and one was a hand towel. So sorry, Keith, you got the hand towel. And for my final wish, the shuttle. I'm so grateful it's free and the driver was kind, but I wish it ran more frequently. The hotel is only 2.8 kilometers away. It's just a 4 or 5 minute drive. More frequent runs would have made a big difference. Other than that, we definitely would stay here again. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Be sure to check the links in the description for our favorite anti-theft backpacks, day packs, and crossbody bags. We take them everywhere we go when we travel. You'll also find a link to Holafly eSIM, which we use throughout our trip. It made staying connected super easy. Here are some videos you might enjoy watching next, and I hope you'll join us again as we continue our journey through beautiful Morocco. Thanks for watching Tina Girl Travels. I'll see you again.